end user platform. We are at the end user interface. We're at the dashboard, at the discover part. And as you can see, you can find your categories here, your images, your videos, your documents, and your audio. You can download the agent to your machine, either it's a Windows or Mac. And you can connect other services. This is a unique feature that we have. You can connect your Dropbox, your Box, your Facebook, your Google Drive, OneDrive, and Instagram, and more than one account. You can also import files from G-Cloud or S3. And we have here at the top faces, we have face recognition and things recognition, which I will show you later how it works. You can also find your latest documents and your latest photos. So this is the basic interface. From the menu on the left, you can find our business features. We have a couple of business features here. From the platform, you can add users and servers. So you can manually add users, or you can invite them via email. I can show you an example how it's done. So you can type the full name, an email address, password, a storage limit, hot or cold, and an OCR limit. And you can also specify a policy. So from here you can add the user. You can also add deployments or add any server you want. And let's go to see the policies. You click here to create a policy. And you can you can add the policy name. You can save your new policy from here. So it will search through the content of the documents and it will appear them on your screen. And you can also type a sentence. Let's say I want to find my finances. So the same will happen in this case. So this is actually the end user platform. Let's go to the discover part. I will show you now the face recognition and things recognition. So if we scroll down, you can see from here AI actions. So let's take an example of this girl. We will click on this icon and it will show us any picture that this girl is included. You can open the picture, you can download it on your machine, and you can also share it. You can share it via email or via link. So there are a couple of options here. You can enable a password. You can send download notifications, or you can set up an expiry day, and you can also send a link. So this is the face recognition part, and let's move forward with the things recognition. So we can click here on, let's say, water. And it will appear any water-related picture. So this is things recognition, face recognition, and let's now go through the data visualization. So let's suppose this is an end user. You click here, John Smith is the end customer. And once we clicked on John Smith, now you can see what's really happening inside his account. You can find the backup from his PC, or from his OneDrive, or from his Google Drive. Same with Box and Facebook. So let's go back to the dashboard. We'll go to the Discover section, and now how the agent works, how the end user can back up their data. I will open the agent that I have already installed on my machine. So this is the agent. You can start with data selection. We have smart selection and the computer selection. So from the smart selection, then user can back up their mails, their desktop, their documents, office, pictures, music, videos, bookmarks, financial files, and ebooks. Smart selection, let's go back. There is an MS SQL option. So if the end user wants to back up their MS SQL, they should activate the MS SQL, and then they can back up their database. Let's go through the settings. We have on schedule backup, so then user can set up a backup from every 5 minutes or every 24 hours. There is also an on schedule backup option that then user can customize. We have resource optimization, so then user can enable, let's say, bandwidth throttling. We don't throttle the data, but let's say during working hours they can enable this option, and also they can schedule the throttling or enable a presentation mode and a battery mode from here. They can also select their connection. They can select a LAN connection, Wi-Fi, 3G or 4G. And this is another unique feature that we have. It's called Hybrid Plus. So we allow the end user to create a second copy of their backup in a network location or a physical location besides the cloud for another level of security or based on his needs. So they can enable Hybrid Plus from here. They can activate the network location, and they can also specify the storage of hybrid from here. We also have a few of advanced settings that you can see from this platform. You can show hidden files. We have VSS extensions and block level extensions. And we also have a couple of preferences. In the end, we have another option, another feature that is called Restore. So when an end user deletes its data by mistake, they can restore it back on the cloud. Even if it's a file or a database, they can select through here, and they can restore specifically the files that have been deleted in the past. So this is the agent. We also have a menu here. You can see you can launch the end user platform that we've been through before. You can search, you can restore, you can synchronize your account, you can check for updates, or you can exit the application. So this was the end user, the agent. We've seen the end user platform, and yeah, actually that's it. It's very simple to use, and very user friendly. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your time.